From what I'm hearing, said my shorty tryna creep again. Stop with the lies, stop the game, cause I'ma fucking win. First see my baby and I love him, never leaving him. Now it's money over niggas, steady screaming it. iPhone, fame and cash is all I need. Cup of Moscato, piece of rock, and some fucking weed. Get right, get loose, let's get it poppin'. Gotta drop it for his friend, cause I know he watching. Got on my heels, tight skirt, I'm in the club. Single ass could be so water, niggas show me love. My bitches laugh, I'm cracking up at my text today. My shorty text me talking about I'm super sorry, babe.
I don't want you to see me cry.
No tolerance for all the fuck shit. I let them other bitches chase and do that dumb shit. Wipe my eyes, cause big girls don't cry. On to next, don't stress, nigga, goodbye. Simple move made, two can play the game too. What do you say? You say, you say. Me and mine's riding clean, we sipping pretty. Fancy bitches getting green. You fucking with me? On your knees, begging, now you want it bad. Heard your last chick was something, now she fucking wag. Gets no better, best of all, best is. Let the dumb bitch trip on all my exes.
I don't want you to see me cry.
Your mind's forever, whatever happened to that? Better have one and only, am I stating the facts? Love that would never die, long as I was your world. If that only told lies is what I got in return. It is what it is, but it ain't what it was. Had a one on your arm, how could you take that long? And give up on my love for the thirst. Go through all the niggas dealt, you always put me first, but best believe you could bet this. You always look back and regret this. I know this nigga wishing that he never left this. Shit real, the homie is who I left with.